Welcome to our post-game press conference. We are joined by our winning coach, Coach Frankie Lim, and our best player, Robert Bolick. Coach, I'll start with you. In the past games, it's usually in the third quarter kung saan nagkaka-meltdown your team. But today, it's actually in the third where you were able to build the lead. What was the most significant or evident adjustments na nagawa nitong mga players niyo?
Well, at the half, I was telling them that we were up by only 2 points, and I told them that we cannot let this team hang around. If we have to make a good run, we might as well do it in the third. And good executions, and yung guys coming off the bench like Herndon did as well. And buti naman. I'm just happy for my players, especially this guy. And, has a new career high and played very well on pick and rolls.
Coach, in this game, it's not just Bolick who played really well, scoring 46 points, but other players also. Halos lahat, Coach, ng pinasok mo down to the last player were able to contribute. Talk about this balance in your lineup.
Yeah. It's just, I think it's just being unselfish, you just have to move the ball real well so everybody gets involved, everybody gets touches. So, they also have their opportunities. But when you're going down to the last 8 seconds, we go to Robert.
Now, Robert, with that last second 3-point shot, meron kang bagong career high, 46 points. Unang tanong, were you fully aware and hinabol mo ba talaga itong bagong career high?
Nung game, hindi naman. Pero nung bandang dulo lang. So.
And napansin namin, every after your game, lalo pag nananalo, you have this specific handshake with your wife. Can you tell us more about this? Pampaswerte ba to? Pahiyang ba to? If you could just share a bit about it.
Wala, lang yan. Siyempre, may baby na ako papunta. So, siyempre, inspirasyon din yun. Diba? So, happy ako na nandyan siya and safe yung konting ilang buwan na lang mga anak na. So, siyempre.
Now, Berto, before the game, you were telling me how sa tingin mo yung killer instinct yung medyo kulang dito sa inyong team. How much was that killer instinct on your mind every quarter? Kasi ngayon, halos every quarter, grabe din yung buhos ng puntos mo, how you're creating for your teammates as well.
Yun nga, yung first quarter, medyo sumabay kami sa laro ng Converge. So, pinagalit si coach. Gising kami pagdating ng second half. Usually, kami yung naano ng third quarter Pero at least ngayon naman, kami naman yung umangat sa third and then sa fourth yun na. So, yun nga sabi ni coach, gandang laro ni Robbie. Si Baser, ang ganda rin ng laro. Step up. Lahat ng pinasok ni coach talagang nag-step up. So, masaya kami kasi collectively, ang ganda ng nilalaro namin. Sana matuloy-tuloy namin and yan.
We now open the floor to questions from the media. Anyone?
Ayun, Robert, I know it feels good to have a career high, pero na-mention mo nga din kanina na you have a baby on the way. So, yung kaligayahan doon, dagdag sa kaligayahan na paparating na yung baby mo, gaano kalaking bagay na nagkaroon ka ng ganito kalaking game dito sa Philippine Cup?
Masaya, siyempre, pero yung iniisip talaga kahit mga coaches namin, yung manalo talaga So, masaya kami nanalo. Individual lang yan, so hindi masyadong kasi team sport to So, masaya kami na nanalo. And masaya ako sa mga teammates ko na nandyan sila ready to play kahit sino pinapasok ni coach. Lahat talagang ready. So, masaya ako sa kanila and sana tuloy-tuloy namin, di ba? May isang game pa kami sa Wednesday yata bago yung medyo mahaba-habang break. Crucial din sa amin kasi ang ganda nilalaro ng Blackwater, wala pa atang talo. So, talagang prepare namin ng maigi yun and tinan natin sa Wednesday.
Coach, sabi kanina ni Robert na start of the game, di naman siya aware na may hinahabol siyang career high. Pero nung dulo sa kanya lang nalaman. Ikaw ba, Coach, were you aware na he was chasing yung career best niya in scoring?
No, I just wanted him to score. Yun lang. kailangan namin lumayo eh. Sabi ko nga nung halftime, hindi natin pwede padikitin tong Converge, delikado, lalo na sa dulo. And importante yung third quarter, I think Converge only scored 6 points sa third quarter. No? Good defense on our part to limit their team to 6 points. So that was crucial.
Coach Frankie Denison po. Coach, talk about lang po dun sa schedule nyo kasi nabanggit po ni Berto nung last time na got to interview him na magkakaroon ng break to accommodate the All-Star festivities. So the momentum would be tested going to the second half schedule where you will be playing against contenders. So can you talk about that, Coach? Sustaining
Yeah,
that
on Wednesday we'll be playing Blackwater and wala pang talo yun. So big challenge for us. And they have an improved lineup. So I think me and my coaches have to work on that. And after that, we're going to have like a 3-week break. And after the break, we'll be playing the big teams. You know? And that will include Talk and Text in Ilocos, in Candon, and the San Miguel teams. So, you know, mas maganda yung momentum mo papunta doon. And I think a win with against Blackwater will help us do that. And syempre after the game of Blackwater, mas maganda yung manalo ka kasi masaya ka for 3 weeks. Di ba? Matalo ka, 3 weeks kang nag-iisip ba't kayo natalo. So again, we'll work on that. We'll see what we can do. And basta nandiyan si Bolick, okay kami.